Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, we need to go to any browser and search for spotify.com. Now, we need to click on this sign up icon over here. Let's tap on this. Now, write your email address. We can simply sign up from Google or Facebook as well. Let's go for email address and click on next. Now we need to create a password. So let's type the password and click on next. Now write your name and date of birth. Choose your gender and click on next. Now we need to confirm by tick marks and click on sign up. So now you're finally signed up to Spotify. So this is all we need to do to sign up in Spotify in Windows. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.